Good morning. That Mrs. Mulder was just in my room talking. If you haven't met her yet, she's a really good kindergarten teacher. We have our TOPS cards, and I want to jump right into it. The first TOPS card says, how many times did Rosa hop? She hopped 5 times on her left foot. She hopped 4 times on her right foot. Okay, we can figure this out. So she did some hops with her left. She did some hops with her right. I'll do L for left plus R for her right equals. It's fun to move in different ways. That's why I have my camera in different ways. Some people might ask me, why are you doing this? And I say, why not? It's fun to look over your shoulder. It's also fun if I do this. I see that Rosa did 5 times with her left. Underneath the L, I'm going to put 5. You should do the same thing. I have a plus in this number sentence, so I should have a plus in this number sentence. She did 4 times on her right foot. Our number sentence should be 5 plus 4 equals. Take a second to pause and draw. What's going on with your ear today? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Your answer should be 9 hops. I see my word hop here, H-O-P, and I need to put an S at the end. 9 hops. Excellent. You can erase, and we'll do the next. This week's math videos are Mr. Padan, and this week's writing videos, Writer's Workshop videos, are Mr. Padan. In today's, I showed off my big nose in the writing video, so I'll show it off in today's math too. Look at the size of that beak. TOPS card 28. How many X's are in row 5? Row 1 has 1 X. 2 has 2. 3 has 3. Ooh! In my class, I call this a growing number pattern. Growing means getting bigger. And how much bigger is it getting each time? 1 for 1. And then there's 1 more in the next. 1 more in the next. I think this should have 1 more. And this should have 1 more than that. If you'd like to try to solve this on your own, you can do that. Write it down on your board. I'm going to write down my answer. So for row 1, it has 1x. I see that here. For row 2, it shows the last box plus 1 more. So this is like the number sentence 1 plus 1 equals 2. For row 3, I'm going to take my previous answer. That means the one before. And then add 1 to it. My previous answer was 2. So I can figure out row 3 by doing 2 plus, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And then it has rows 4 and 5. This is the way that I solve it, and if you solve it differently than me, that's okay. I love seeing how my students do the same thing in different ways as me, how they can get the same answer, but going about it in a different way. Usually in my classroom, I'll show my answer, and then the kids hold it up to their chest like this. The kids hold their boards up. And if someone has the same answer as me but in a different way, I'll say, ooh, Jackson, go show me how you did that. Ooh, Tony, yours looks different than mine. Can you explain how you did that? The kids usually love to share. Back to it. My previous answer was 3, so I'll do 3 plus 1 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. And then for the last bad boy, row 5, the answer I need, I'll do my previous 4 plus 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. I think that there's supposed to be 5 x's. I'll write down the word sentence. There are 5 x's. Here's the word there. T H E R E. There. R goes like this. A R E. I'll write the number 5. And then I'll write X with an apostrophe S. Period at the end. There are 5 X's. Thank you very much. Good job. See you next time.